I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the tools and a clean workspace. Take the controller apart now. Remove 2 small pads on the back and pry off the battery cover, then pull the batteries and unscrew the 5 Torx screws holding the shell. Once open, lift the rear plate gently to expose the bumper assembly and ribbon cables. Use a plastic pick to avoid damage. Make sure to note screw locations and orientation. You will now inspect the bumper tabs, springs, and plastic posts for wear before proceeding. Now remove the bumper pieces by gently pushing their pivots out and sliding the plastic caps off. Keep springs and small parts in a tray. Clean debris with isopropyl 90% or 70% on a cotton swab, then inspect contact pads for corrosion. If a broken tab is present, use a tiny drop of cyanoacrylate to rebuild a missing corner. Allow full cure. Reseat the metal springs and ensure they sit flat. Align the ribbon cable under the housing. Once aligned, test button travel before closing. Reassemble the shell by aligning the front and rear halves and placing screws back into their original holes. Tighten Torx screws snug but not over tight. Reinstall the battery and faceplate, then verify LB and RB register in a controller test menu or a game. Confirm smooth travel and crisp clicks. If buttons feel sticky, open and apply a tiny amount of dielectric grease to the pivot points. Troubleshooting tip: if a button still fails, swap the bumpers between sides to check if the issue follows the part or the PCB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.